Hi, it's me, Christina, also known as the Mobile Home Mama. First things first, I got to talk about it. My annual open house, September the 4th, prices slashed, big time discounts, once a year. Call me, get a place in my time slots for that day, because we are giving away appliance packages, all kinds of good stuff. You guys will be able to choose what free gift you would like to receive from the factory September the 4th, September the 4th, September the 4th. Please call me to book early. Okay, outside in Attica, very popular, 16 by 60. A lot of people put these in parks because of the lot sizes of the parks. On the exterior, we've got an optional exterior single wide elevation. That means we're going to put that little bitty eyebrow dormer thing there. Makes it look really nice. And you can always tell in Attica because the window, this is one of the floor plans where the window is off to the left like that. So let's see what we've got going on the outside. OSB wrap. That is something you always want to add. When we get inside, you're going to see that it's a VOG wall. But no matter what, make sure you add that OSB. The alternative is a storm board sheathing. I'm looking over here to see if what I see over there looks like OSB to me. Go back through my videos. Storm board sheathing is cardboard, styrofoam cardboard. They've been building them that way since the beginning of time, and it is still like that unless you change to an OSB wrap. There you go, 7/16 is the thickness of the OSB. Then a Tyvek weather wrap over that, and then you have your siding. So pier savers underneath here, these are gonna support your doors and reinforce them so that they don't sag over the years. Another thing that is a benefit of that is you do not have to pour extra piers there if you're doing piers for your foundation. So definitely a great investment. I think they're 163 bucks a piece. Make sure you put those in. Always in the front, we're gonna have a water spigot as well as an electrical outlet. You can add an extra one of those to the back. You can add more than one if you would like, but you can never add any water on the end walls. All right, this customer has added lineal trims around the windows. Shutters are also available. And what's awesome about the Attica is that it's wide open. The living room and kitchen are wide open. And really, whatever you're doing in the kitchen, you can see what they're doing in the living room. Plenty of space here to add an island if you wanted to. That is your choice. We've got, we can add the 012 island. We've got plenty of space for that. The building code tells you that you have to be 36 inches from any kind of surface to surface. So we would have to be 3 feet out, 1, 2, 3. This would be your spot for your island right here. Laminate backsplash. We're gonna take the countertop up about 4 inches. We've got Bello Romano on the countertop here. And then urban oak on the cabinets. This is a wrapped cabinet in this particular home. How can I tell? Well, on a hardwood cabinet, it's gonna look like puzzle pieces up here. This is a pressed wood with a vinyl wrapping. Still a very beautiful color and a very good cabinet as long as you take care of it. This customer has added black cabinet handles as well. And we've got the standard refrigerator here, 18.2 is the size, and also a gas stove. That's no charge if you want to do that as well. We will be switching to a stainless steel company-wide. I don't know the exact date of that, but that's my special announcement. Stainless steel are coming, and black are gonna be obsolete. So make sure if you want some black appliances, you get your order in now. If, I don't know, maybe we can, they've already switched to stainless steel for the stuff that's coming offline. I do know that it's coming because I have a show home that's gonna be here tomorrow and I had to switch those to stainless steel. So that's a great thing. Champion's always trying to do bigger and better things and giving you guys what you want. An awesome feature of the Attica, it's the one home that has a 46 by 61 standard window in the living room. A lot of customers will enlarge that window as well and also put something at least in the hallway over there. Let's head this way. We've got the reverse aisle, so both doors on the same side. And then when you're coming in what is considered the back door, you got a furnace right here and then your washer dryer area here. We've added a wire shelf over the washer and dryer. You could also add cabinets if you wanted to, wooden cabinets. Master bedroom, yes. Serenity on the floor. This is our brand new floor for 2026 and it's really beautiful. It has some brown streaks in it. It looks like a distressed barnwood. Here we go with the master closet. All right, heading right into the ensuite master bath. We've got a walk-in shower here with doors. And you can, a lot of people ask me, Christina, can you add a seat? Yes, you can. So what happens is after the home gets there, there's gonna be a little QR code where you can scan that and order your seat. And then we've got a single vanity here. And hi, hope to see you guys during this open house. It's my baby of the year. I love doing the open house. Let me just break it down for you. Starting in the morning, we usually have donuts, some drinks. We start the tours every hour. We're gonna have a factory tour happening. And then we are signing deals all day long. Big, big savings on that day. Better than any other day of the year. Here we go to bedroom number 2. This is the cutest little single wide. Here's a closet for you. Right around the corner is bedroom number 3. This is a 16 by 60, also available in the 2-bedroom if you would like. And what that does is it's gonna make your living room bigger. And also this bedroom that I'm standing in would be a little bigger also. Bath number 2, pretty plain Jane, tub shower combination, that's standard. And then a single vanity with a mirror and the 3 bulb light strip. You can change that to an 2-arm light if you would like to. Another nice thing that I love about the Attica is you have this little foyer area, right? So it's not just like you see in a lot of the single wides where you're going down the hallway, we've got bedroom. We've got a little area here. So if you wanted to, you could put another exterior door here. You could put a window, let some light in. Lots of things that you can do with this home, but it's really beautiful just the way it is. As always, thank you for watching.